Hi there. What you're looking at, it looks like airplane wings, but it's a new. Well, to me, it's new. It's like a wing thing. Watch it. I'm going to show you. It's kind of interesting. I think it's getting ready to go. Sorry, I don't have music this time. Watch them as they move their wings. I think it's really cool. Just, just makes you wonder, if it really works. But obviously it does. I don't know if I would want that set up though. I don't know. I guess if I had the money to maintain it or whatever. I like the old-fashioned way, I guess. I think that was kind of cool. I think they're getting ready to go out. Anyhow, take care. Have a great life. Vina from San Diego Harbor, America's Cup. Thank you. Bye.